Yeah, thank you so much, thank you so much,
Thank you very much.
So yeah, we are back here at Luke Ryan's. Not back yet. I get hardly any views whatsoever. We have a channel announcement. See what it's about.
It's showtime.
Hi, Luke Ryan's. As long as everything is okay and good, and there's no problems, I will be there. Luke Ryan's will be there at Motorcycle Live for 2024, where we're going to find every manufacturer from Kawasaki, Yamaha, Ducati, BMW, Aprilia, KTM, and it should be pretty interesting, especially seeing the latest superbike, super sport touros from Kawasaki. And the main thing is seeing how the motorcycle industry is changing, because what we're now seeing is that we've already lost in the world the GSX 1000 superbike. The R1 superbike from Yamaha is effectively, you can only buy it for track use, according to Google, somehow. But for the road, the R9 is going to replace the R1 superbike. So the R9 is taking over as Yamaha's latest superbike. And you know, I really wouldn't be surprised if a couple of years from now, even Yamaha will now say, hey, you can't even buy an R1 superbike for the racetrack anymore, and the R9 completely takes over. And the worry is, what will we see? Will we see Honda move on to like a 900cc superbike? Is BMW going to have to go down the same route? Is Ducati going to new to the Panigale? So what I suspect we're going to find at Motorcycle Live is a lot of smaller engines in motorcycles now. So and more that the same engine is used for multiple motorcycles, from Honda and Yamaha. Not so much Kawasaki, but yeah, with BMW, or probably not with Ducati. I wouldn't think Ducati would go down that path, but we'll see. Probably they will. And KTM. So it should be quite a interesting Motorcycle Live. Hopefully it's going to be quite busy, and you're very welcome to come and say hi to me. Yeah, let's just see what it brings, see what we can do with it as well for the channel. Yeah, just take it from there really. It should be pretty interesting. Thanks for watching.
The little rascal has spirit. Has what?
It's the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
drink a cup of tea.